Ever feel like your money's playing hide and seek and you're always the one losing? You swipe your card, check your balance, and poof. Where did it all go? You're not alone. We've all been there. It's like trying to catch smoke with a sieve. The digital age promised us financial clarity, but sometimes it feels like it just created more ways to spend and fewer ways to understand where it's all going. And then, you hear about apps like PocketGuard. They promise to be your financial superhero, swooping in to save the day, organizing your spending, and telling you exactly how much you can actually spend. But, of course, the big question looms: can I connect my credit card to PocketGuard? Is it safe? Is it worth it? Will it actually make my life easier, or just add another layer of digital complexity? Let's dive in, shall we? Because honestly, navigating personal finance in this digital jumble is no walk in the park. PocketGuard, at its core, is designed to give you a clear, real-time view of your finances. It aims to simplify budgeting by aggregating all your accounts in one place. This includes checking accounts, savings accounts, and yes, credit cards. The idea is that by seeing everything together, you can get a holistic picture of your financial health. So, to answer the burning question, yes, you can absolutely connect your credit cards to PocketGuard. In fact, it's a key feature. By linking your credit cards, PocketGuard can track your spending habits, categorize transactions, and show you how much you're actually spending on credit. This is crucial for keeping your credit card balances in check and avoiding those nasty surprise bills. However, the safety question is completely valid. After all, you're handing over access to your financial data. PocketGuard uses bank-level 256-bit SSL encryption to protect your information. They also use a third-party service called Plaid, which is widely used by many financial apps, to securely connect your accounts. This means your login credentials are never stored on PocketGuard servers. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Connecting your credit cards to PocketGuard allows you to see all your spending in one place. No more switching between multiple apps or websites. PocketGuard's In My Pocket feature shows you how much you have left to spend after accounting for bills, savings goals, and, yes, your credit card spending. This is incredibly helpful for staying within your budget and avoiding overspending. Plus, PocketGuard categorizes your transactions automatically, so you can see where your money is going. This can help you identify areas where you can cut back and save money. You can also set spending limits for different categories, and PocketGuard will alert you when you're approaching your limit. There are, of course, some things to consider. Connecting your accounts means trusting a third party with your data. If you're uncomfortable with this, you might want to explore other options. Also, while PocketGuard is great for tracking spending, it's not a full-fledged financial planning tool. It's more of a budgeting and spending tracker. Ultimately, connecting your credit cards to PocketGuard can be a powerful tool for managing your finances. It offers a clear, consolidated view of your spending, helps you stay within your budget, and provides valuable insights into your spending habits. If you're looking for a way to simplify your financial life, it's definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.